Hi, Stefano Molea, San Diego criminal defense lawyer and partner at the law office of David P. Shapiro, where we help good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In some cases, after investigation and a thorough analysis of all the issues and defenses, custody time is just unavoidable. Sometimes it's unavoidable due to the nature of the conduct. Other times it's because the law itself requires a minimum amount of time in custody where a judge has no ability to avoid imposing it as part of the sentence. For purposes of this video, I want to go over what custody means. But you should know, however, that what we're about to discuss only deals with misdemeanors or felonies where the person is getting probation. So let's start with the obvious. Actual jail time. This is where you are stepping foot in a San Diego County Sheriff's run facility. San Diego has a number of them. Las Colinas for women, and for the men we have Central Jail, George Bailey, South Bay Detention Facility, Vista Detention Facility, East Mesa, and Facility 8. Unless the defendant waives his or her credits, they will be doing half, or sometimes even less than half, of their sentence. For example, if it's a 1-year sentence, the person will be doing 6 actual months. Then we also have house arrest as an option. This can come in a few forms. The main one is CPAC, which is a GPS monitoring program through the San Diego County Sheriff's Department. There are certain cases, such as sex crimes, that are not eligible for this program. If a person is approved by the sheriff and the judge permits this as an option, then someone can do their time on home detention. The person is also eligible for good time credits, meaning they could do half the time of the sentence, unless their credits are waived in exchange for being able to actually do home detention. There are other programs also available through private companies that can potentially be options if properly negotiated with the prosecutor, as long as the judge approves. This can obviously be helpful in sex crime cases and others. Number 3, you've got work furlough as an option. There is one location in San Diego County. Essentially, you live in a dorm. It has lots of restrictions, but you get to go to work. You come back to the work furlough residence, and if you don't have a job, you might qualify for a program where they give you some time to find one while living at the facility. Either way, there are going to be lots of rules and regulations, but certainly better than being in jail. Then we have residential treatment program. If approved by the court, a sentence can be served while at an inpatient program. That means you live at the program and abide by all the rules. This is obviously a great potential if the underlying charge is a result of a substance abuse problem. Look, obviously the idea of custody can be scary, but on the right case and with creative and effective lawyering, one might be able to stay out of jail and still serve their time. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, give me a call. Stefano Molea, San Diego criminal defense lawyer, 619-295-3555.